Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Buzzcut filter on. Okay, so this is the Buzzcut effect. To get this effect on TikTok, what you have to do, just tap on the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image, this is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button. Okay, search for Buzzcut. Okay, the second one with 37.6k videos. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for Buzzcut filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon, just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.